啊，今日咧年卅晚啊，都諗唔到咁大風雪。哇！咪以為鏟雪好易啊，係一個好艱巨嘅工作嚟嘅。鏟出一條車道，唔簡單啊！真係老實講唔簡單。你睇周圍嗰啲車咧，全部都係冚晒雪啊！咁成晚都係咁啊！你變咗雪條啊，一條條嗰啲雪筍呢架咧就係我嘅老爺車嚟嘅，啲雪咧冚成咁樣，隔離呢架車都係好犀利哇！呢啲車全部都冚晒雪。我如果要鏟乾淨呢條車道咧，起碼要1個鐘頭。呢個新車嚟嘅嚇，奧迪。厲害啊！今日啲風雪啊，非常厲害。真係寸步難行啊！你睇呢度嘅sidewalk啊，仲有排鏟雪呢度啲車全部都冚晒，全部都冚晒雪。咁呢架係我嘅 Honda Accord 嚟嘅，停喺屋前邊。Hello, Mr. Petrie. Oh, very nice to see you. Oh, will you please talk something about today's snowy day?
Yeah, today's February 8th, lots of snow in New York, and we're here clearing the sidewalks.
Yeah. Oh, thanks a lot. You give a hand to clean the sidewalk.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
呢個 Mr. Petrie 咧係我嘅好住客嚟嘅，佢好幫手啊。Thank you.